Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that we are on chapter number 2, microorganisms, and today I will deliver its 11th lecture. Before moving on towards our main lecture, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. For that, listen to the question very carefully, pause the video, and then answer the question. Do microorganisms cause diseases? Yes, some of the microorganisms also cause diseases. Now is time for an activity. So collect some affected leaves of plants from nearby garden and paste them on a chart paper. So my dear students, go with your teacher outside in the garden and collect some diseased plants. आपको देख के ही पता चल जाएगा कि जो leaves हैं ये affect हुए हैं. Either they are bitten by an insect, कुछ को insects या beetles जो हैं वो भी bite कर लेते हैं, कुछ को जो है different microbes जो हैं वो भी लग जाते हैं and they have diseases on them. So collect such leaves and paste them on a chart paper, and you can also display it in the class under the title that these are the diseased leaves. So my dear students, pause the video and kindly perform this activity. I hope you have done it. Now we will move forward towards some pre-reading questions. Quickly tell me, did you ever get ill? क्या आप कभी बीमार हुए हैं? सब बीमार हो जाते हैं. Seasonal बाज़ दफ़ा जब सर्दी आती है हम तब बीमार हो जाते हैं. So what do you think? What was the reason? आपको क्या लगता है कि इस चीज का क्या रीजन था when you got ill? पेट खराब हो जाता है, वॉमिट्स आ जाती हैं, you get cold. So what happens at that time? Why do you get ill? What are the reasons? Yes, some of the microbes they enter our body and make us ill. ये plants में भी होता है, ये animals में भी होता है और human beings में भी होता है. So my dear students, in today's lecture, the students will be able to recognize some common diseases of each group caused by microorganisms. So आज जो है बच्चे जो हैं वो ये पढ़ेंगे कि कैसे जो कुछ ग्रुप्स हैं माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स के वो इलनेस का बाइस भी बनते हैं या डिजीजेस कॉज करते हैं. So let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. I swear what you see and what you do not see. हम repeatedly ये जो आयत है इसको अपने लेक्चर्स में मैं रिपीट कर रही हूँ कि अल्लाह ताला ने कसम खाकर कहा है कि ऐसी चीज़ों की कसम जो तुम देख सकते हो और जो नहीं देख सकते. कुछ चीज़ें जो हैं वो आँख से ओझल होती हैं बट दे एग्जिस्ट. जैसे कि मैं आपको हमेशा एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ हवा की. हवा जो है वो आपको नज़र नहीं आती बट इट एग्जिस्ट. Similarly, microorganisms, you cannot see them with your naked eye, but they do exist. So, my dear students, I request you all to please open page number 27 in your Science 5 books. Very good. Let's start the reading. Put your fingers where I will read. Disadvantages of microorganisms. As you know that we have already discussed about the advantages of microorganisms. Today we will discuss about the disadvantages. Microorganisms are harmful to us in the following aspects. Microorganisms spoil food. Bacteria and fungi are responsible for the spoilage of food. When these microorganisms break down the food, waste products are produced. These products have an unpleasant smell, spoil the food, and are harmful to health. Microorganisms cause diseases. They cause diseases not only in humans, but also in plants and animals. Some diseases of microorganisms are as follows. This text is given on page number 28. So, microorganisms जो हैं ये ना सिर्फ humans के अंदर diseases cause करते हैं, but they also cause diseases in plants and animals. So, let's quickly read about it. Put your fingers where I will read. Diseases in plants. Microorganisms can cause diseases in plants. Bacteria cause leaf spots, fire blight and wilts. Fungi cause rust and smut. Viruses cause ring spot. So my dear students, here you can see कि plants में virus, bacteria और fungi जो हैं, they cause different kinds of diseases. So here you can see this is leaf spot, and leaf spot is caused by bacteria. Then this is leaf affected by rust. This is caused by fungus. And this is leaf affected by ring spot, and this is caused by a virus. So even in plants, different diseases are caused by microbes. Now, here are some tidbits. Let's read about it. A pathogen is a microorganism that has the potential to cause disease. An infection is the multiplication of pathogens inside an individual. The disease is conditioned when the infection causes damage to the individual's vital organs, brain, heart, lungs, etc. So my dear students, जो एक पैथोजन होता है वो एक ऐसा माइक्रोब होता है, इट कुड बी अ वायरस, बैक्टीरिया और फंजाई जो कि डिजीजेस कॉज करता है. तो ऐसे माइक्रोब्स जो कि डिजीजेस कॉज करते हैं और स्प्रेड होते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड पैथोजेंस. सो इन्फेक्शन जो है, ये जो पैथोजेंस होते हैं ये इन्फेक्शन कॉज करते हैं, और जब किसी इंसान को, जानवर को या पौधे को इन्फेक्शन होती है तो उसके अंदर जो डिजीज पैथोजन होता है वो स्प्रेड होता है, मल्टीप्लाई होता है, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एन इन्फेक्शन. डिजीज जो है वो एक ऐसी कंडीशन होती है जब आपके जो ऑर्गन्स हैं, ब्रेन, हार्ट और लंग्स जो है, दे गेट अफेक्टेड बाय दीज पैथोजेंस. So my dear students, now on page number 28 we will read about diseases in animals. Quickly read with me. Diseases in animals. Viruses, bacteria and fungi cause diseases in animals. They enter into their bodies and attack their immune system. Thus animals face serious illness, which sometimes leads to even death. Fungi cause ringworm, bacteria cause foot rot in cattle, viruses called blue tongue. So my dear students, ये जो microbes हैं या pathogens हैं, ये animals के अंदर भी diseases cause करते हैं, और sometimes infection जो है वो इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है कि it even cause the death of the animal. तो जो मुख्तलिफ वायरस, बैक्टीरिया और फंजाई हैं, these microbes cause different diseases in animals. For example, fungi cause ringworm, और बैक्टीरिया जो है it cause rot foot in cattle, and virus cause blue tongue. So let's have a look at these diseases. So this is ringworm in dog. This is caused by fungus. Then this is rot foot in cattle, and it is caused by a bacteria. This is blue tongue in a sheep, and this is caused by a virus. So these microbes also cause diseases in animals, just like human beings, plants. Diseases are also caused in animals. So now is the time for practice. For practice, what you need to do is write down diseases caused by bacteria and fungi in plants. Write down diseases caused by virus in animals. So my dear students, what you need to do is now कि आपको जो plants में fungi और bacteria diseases cause करते हैं, आपको उनके names जो हैं अपनी notebook में लिखने हैं, and जो viruses diseases cause करते हैं animal में, write any one name. हमने एक ही discuss किया है, जैसे कि blue tongue. So note it down in your notebook. This is very easy. You can take help from your book also. Pause the video and complete this task. I hope you have finished it. Now we will move forward towards the worksheet. For worksheet, disadvantages of microorganisms, you will write down your name and your class, and you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can also get it in print form by your teacher. So let's have a look at the worksheet. What you need to do is name the diseases caused by the microorganisms. So here you can see different leaves have different diseases. So you have to write down the names of the diseases and their cause also. Which microbe causes it? You can take help from the book. Now name the diseases caused by the microorganisms in animals. Here you can see two animals having two diseases. One is ringworm and the other is blue tongue. You have to write down the name of the disease and also the cause. यानी कि which microbe is causing it, which pathogen is causing it. Is it a bacteria, fungi or a virus? Also write down their names. You will pause the video and you will complete the worksheet and submit it to your teacher. I hope you have finished the worksheet. Now we will move forward towards the evaluation. Now think about it. Do you think microbes only live on or inside the human body? क्या आपको लगता है कि क्या जो microorganisms हैं वो सिर्फ human body के अंदर ही रहते हैं या हमारे ऊपर ही इफेक्ट करते हैं या हमारे ऊपर अटैक करते हैं? No, they also attack other living things like plants and animals, just like we have studied. Very good. Now we will move forward towards the homework. Quickly note down the homework, home activity. What you need to do is you have studied different diseases in animals and plants. Search name of the causative agent of each of the above mentioned diseases, symptoms of the diseases, mode of transmission of each disease mentioned above, and prepare a report and present it in the class. So my dear students, अभी हमने different microbes which cause diseases in plants and animals like virus, bacteria and fungi, हमने उनके बारे में पढ़ा है. Now you also know the diseases. आपको उन diseases के causes आपने पढ़ लिए कि वो different microbes उनको cause करें, क्या symptoms हैं उनके और क्या effect होता है animal के ऊपर. You have to make a report about it and then submit it in the class and share with your class fellows, with your siblings to create awareness. So you will do it in your homework and we will move forward towards another homework that you will do. Exercise A. You see dark colored spots on leaves. The possible causative agent is virus, bacteria, algae or all of these. So you will complete it in your homework. Next, what we have done today. Today we learned that microorganisms can spoil food. Microorganisms cause diseases in plants and animals. So my dear students, microorganisms जो है ये हमारे food को भी spoil करते हैं और ये plants और animals के अंदर diseases भी cause करते हैं. Just like many microorganisms have advantages, similarly some of the microorganisms also have their disadvantages. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the video. In the next lecture, we will discuss about or we will learn about different human diseases caused by different microorganisms. जैसे आज हमने plants में diseases और animals में diseases पढ़ी हैं caused by microorganisms. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the human diseases caused by microorganisms. Until then, keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.